Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is a beast of a truck, and it's the cream of the crop. Why is that? Because, oh my God, there's a cracked lens on my screen, on my camera button, or my camera lens. What the hell? Anywho, I thought I heard it when I dropped it, did something. Anyways, this is a 2015 Duramax Denali 2500 HD beast. Everything perfectly set up in my perfect taste mods. If I were to build a truck, this is exactly what I like driving. User friendly. It's got a the stance is just absolutely beautiful. Tires stick out barely enough, probably 2 inches, maybe 2 inches. It's got a BDS suspension lift kit system. It has the blacked out grille. I absolutely love that. It's tough. It has a set of BMF big mother effer wheels, and these are a 20x10 wheel wrapped around a huge, nice, grippy, meaty 37x13.50 20-inch Toyo Open Country RT tire. Aggressive tire right in between a all-terrain and a mud terrain, just enough. It's got BDS Fox shocks, BDS brake line, steel braided brake lines. It's a Texas truck. There's no rust, as you see right there. Amp electric step rails right here. The step rails go down, you open the door, boom, look like brand new. Absolutely beautiful. It's tuned, deleted. It's got the handheld right here, custom diesel tuning, PPEI, Corey Wills tunes, factory Denali book, WeatherTech floor mats, huge stinger. Wait till you see the side. That's my hand. I got a pretty big hand. And the screen is absolutely massive. It's an aftermarket screen, but it's huge and I love it. All different apps inside there. Sunroof, leather seats, Denali embroidered inside the headrest, Bose sound system, automatic windows. I'll show you under the hood in just a second. It's got a full 4-inch turbo back exhaust system out the side right here. Factory spray and liner. A lot of the companies are getting away from the drop-in liners. I agree. Wasting money. WeBOOST Drive 4GX satellite. And right there, it has all sorts of goodies. I mean, look at the condition of this truck. It's like nobody even sat back here. 67,000 miles on this truck. Beautiful wood grain and chrome all the way around. Fox shocks all 4 corners. Denali badging and everything. It's backup camera. I mean, I can go on and on and on and on and on. Factory spare tire on the back, but it's just a hell of a truck. It really is. Turn signals incorporated in the mirrors. Let's go inside and see what's going on. 20% window tint. There's the mileage. 67,301 maintained miles. WeatherTech floor mats. Let's pop the hood. Show you guys what's going on. But first, actually no, pop the hood first. Yeah, it's just a heck of a truck. It really is. Oh, that thing fell off. Let's put that sucker back on there. There we go. Pop the hood and show you guys what's going on under the hood. Like I said, it's a Texas truck. Besides the dirt and dust, I mean, it's just beautiful. Frame you can eat off of, no rust at all. At all. Under the hood we have here, tuned, deleted. It's got a AFE, cold air intake filter system. All the fluids are beautifully clean. It just got inspected at the local GMC dealership down the road over here. So, like I said, all the recalls have been done. I think the passenger airbag recall, it's a big nationwide thing. If you guys want to do that, check your recalls, because you drive it into the dealership, they do it for free. A Takata airbag, whatever the hell it was, but they did it for free. It was under warrant or recall and brought it in. It was all done. So if you guys have any questions about this truck, hit me up. And as you can see at the beginning of the video, it sounds absolutely amazing. It drives even better. It's phenomenal. It drives really, really smooth. Interior smells practically brand new. You can still smell the hint of leather. And it's just an awesome truck. Huge class hitch right there. And I can keep on going on and on and on and on, but I'm not. The interior in the back seat right here, the headliner's in good shape. Under the seat, I just can't get the carpet's like still fluffy, like nobody's even touched it. So yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up about this truck. 540-848-2974 direct, or call 540-898-3025. Visit www.superiorwholesale.org. Denali floor mat, or Denali, what do you call it? Thresholds. Here's the backup camera you guys are waiting for. Heated, cooled seats. Ready? Watch this. Stinger! It's gonna say Stinger. Ready? Stinger! AC blows ice cold. You got your exhaust brake right here. Everything foot pedal adjustment. We'll go right here. Get to the main screen real quick. Come on, Stinger. Main screen. All the apps. I mean, there's just a whole bunch of crap. Camera settings on every damn angle. The backup camera is massive and it's clear. So yeah, there you have it. Hope you guys are doing great. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.